Okay, let's talk about our environment and what we have set up. So we basically got three servers, three dedicated database layer servers over in a robot within Hetzner. And so this is Postgres, this is Redis, and this is Elasticsearch. And those all have native IPv4 IP addresses as well as a v6 address, and we're going to be mapping them into and then they are all configured to the same virtual switch that then we're going to map into the cloud environment. And then over in the cloud side, we have, right now, the only thing that we have is we basically have, we have blank, we basically have nothing, and we're going to create a project. And essentially this project is going to be where we will configure the cluster and build the services and infrastructure on top of that. And then we'll need to, part of this is the network, and we will need to map this vSwitch into this project so that all of these resources can talk to the Postgres, the Redis, and the Elasticsearch server. And do that over the private network, which has unlimited bandwidth because there are bandwidth limits or bandwidth charges if we were to take and go through the public address this way. So that's essentially the infrastructure that we're building. Obviously there will be a, erase this, there will be a load balancer here, a Hetzner load balancer, and then that is, in fact, let's do it this way. There's a load balancer, and there is traffic. That can take in from any host and then route it to the appropriate service within the Kubernetes cluster. And this load balancer obviously is talking to the greater internet. So that is the broad methodology that we'll be undertaking. And let's move on to the next video.